So guys, I want to show you what I got from China, like one after the other. I know I've opened most of these boxes. But I still want to show you what I got. All right, so the first box I have here, I did this. I used sea shipping in shipping this, so they were bulky. I spent 65,000 to ship them. Yes, 65,000 to ship them, and maybe from Lagos to Port Harcourt, I spent 6,000 naira. And that is it. So the first on this is this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. You know this, right? So I've been seeing this around, and I've imported it for most of my clients, being a procurement agent. And I was like, okay, let me try it. And I tried getting with these two pieces. If you notice, it's even open because I have to test it. Yes, two of them. Guess how much I got it. So I'm going to be putting the prices of each of these items in naira on the screen, why I call the prices in UN, because I have it written down here, right? These items are items that I actually bought and kept, so a lot of them I've forgotten their prices. I have to write them down. But the shipping didn't take up to 2 months. It was around a month and 2 weeks. So that's the reason why whenever you come for me to procure for you, I always tell you shipping might take 2 to 3 months. So it could actually come before 2 months, it could come before 3 months. All right, so this cost me 9 yuan for one. Yes, so I'm going to put the price in naira and dollar on the screen. So check out how much is being sold in the market. Is it a good buy or not? Will you import, or you rather buy from your local market? All right, so we move to the next one. Oh, I've not opened this one. This is LED 600 Pro. So this LED 600 Pro, I will bring it back. I better help me open up. Okay. So the next one is this shoe. It's falling from my hand. I already opened it. Like, I even wanted to give it up, but I was like, no, 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 no. My family members need to see this and know the quality of things that is being imported from China. So this, I can't really, I don't know when I bought this. I don't know when I bought this, so it was difficult getting the price. I actually got two pairs of this. Let me show you the second one. I thought I've already opened this carton. So I got two pairs of these shoes. The quality of this shoe is everything. Look at just negodi. Yeah, the quality is nice. Like, the sole is so soft. I can't get the price of this particular one. Seriously, I can't get the price of it. But if I check it again, I'm going to put the price on the screen while editing the video. So I got this very cheap, like very, very cheap. I'm not sure it was up to 30 yuan. No, it wasn't. So I will still check and put the price there for you. This is the 600 Pro. 600 Pro, yes. I got two of these. Okay, I got two of these for a client. I have this light, and the first one I bought from Nigeria. So this particular one, I imported it. I bought two of this LED 600 Pro. So this is the tripod that comes with it. When you buy it, it comes with this tripod, and when you open it, it comes with the light, the charger, the battery. This charger. This charger is for the battery. Then it comes with its own battery, two batteries. Okay, then this is to attach to the light and for the this thing. Then this is the light itself, creator, and now I've upgraded to another one, which I'm going to show you. So how much did I get this in Nigerian market? This is around this is around 45,000, 50,000 for some persons, but I got it at 134 yuan. Don't know if it's this particular one I got at 134 yuan. There's one I bought at 120 yuan. The other one 134. Okay, I will need to confirm the price and also put it on the screen for you to see the price in naira and how much is being sold in Nigerian market. Okay, so what's inside here? All right, in here I have rubber band that I got for my hair. You know, we girls using normal rubber to say our hair is not good. So I got this. I've already removed some of it and gifted it out. It's about 20 pieces per roll, so I bought two. I know I have a lot of girls around me and we will need it, so that's why I got it. I bought this at 1.3 UN each. Like one of these 1.3 UN, that's about 200 and something for a pack. So you see, it's actually a good buy. I also put the price in our local market on the screen for you to see, and also the amount in naira. Is a good buy. So this bag here, okay, so this is the bag I bought. I don't know if I should call it a bag or a purse. Okay, it has this handle. Is for guys, for men. Yes. Yeah, so this is the bag. I bought this bag at 10 yuan. 10 yuan. So you should check out the price and we'll also compare the price. The leather is strong. It's very strong. This is something that will last for a long time. It's not all those type that spoils really fast. Okay. Okay, this other item, I don't know why I bought this, but I think it's good. I'll need it soon. So it has this waistband that presses your tummy, make it flat. You can also use it in the gym or wherever you choose to use it. So this I got at 16 yuan. Yes, 16 yuan. In here, I have some bags that I got. Okay, these are handbags. This pink bag here. You know, most times I go for pure leather, and since I started China importation, all all my bags, all the bags that my sisters and my mom use and most of my friends use are imported from China. Yes, and I can attest to the quality because they really last longer. I got this bag. I can't remember the price I got this particular bag. Then the second bag is this big bag. All right. The packaging, I've removed one, two, three. Ta-da-da! This is pure leather bag. I got this bag for my mom. I'm sure she will love it. See. Did you like it? Do you like it? This is the front. There's the back. Yes. This one is not a case of what I ordered versus what I got. I'm showing you pictures of how it was like and how it is. Okay, I've been showing you what I got and what I got. If you're interested in importing from China, you can as well send me a DM. My contact and Instagram handle is in the description. So you can send me a message if you want me to be your procurement agent. If you want me to train you on China importation too, I can show you how to do that. Just send me a DM. And this bag is a 3-in-1 bag. So this is one, two. There's the third one. Okay, there's the third. So it's a 3-in-1 bag. This is the handle of the bag in here, the long hand of the bag. I'll also put the price I got this bag. It's pure leather. Are you seeing it? See, are you seeing it? Pure leather that will last forever. You can get quality stuff from China. So this is the next item here. It's also a handbag. I have this particular kind of bag. I ordered this bag twice, and right now I don't know what to do, but I have a lot of sisters and girls, so definitely this bag will go for one of them. I'm also going to put the price too. I've been using this particular bag a year plus now. Yes, so I can attest to this bag. The quality is nice too. I bought it at 27 yuan. Yeah, 27 yuan is how much I got this bag, and the quality has been giving me premium. I reserved the best for the last. We have this big box here. Ta-da! We have this big box here. This box contains an investment for life. It has my content creation props. So I'm not just a China importation coach, I'm also a content creator. So in here, we have first our tripod, a tripod stand. It was in here. I have to remove it from here. So I have some batteries that I got because the last time I bought batteries from Nigeria, I regretted it because it was so expensive. Batteries that I could get at a cheaper rate, I got it very high in Nigeria. So I have to buy these batteries. These batteries can be used for LED light. It can also be used for your camera, as you're seeing some. It can be used for your camera. So whichever you want to use it for, you can import everything and everything from China. I also got some little stuff for tripods. So these are phone holders. You attach it to your tripod and you hold your phone with it. I bought 3 of it. I also bought extra battery charger in case I will need extra battery charger. And this, my previous light, this particular knob spoiled, so I have to get this knob for my previous stuff. And this is the battery charger cord. Okay, so in here we have the first one, this particular tripod. I don't know if you've seen this tripod where people stand up to do their video themselves. It's very long, right? It's a selfie stick, right? If you're a content creator, you can relate with this very well. So this is how it comes. I can take it anywhere I want, and all I need to do is to open it up and extend it. It's very long. When I mean long, then you use this to control, and it also has a remote, so you can just set it and take your pictures yourself, create your content yourself. The fact that it's very long is something that I love so much. Okay, so this is like a life investment because this is quite expensive. This is quite expensive. I bought this tripod at 93 yuan. 93 yuan is a good buy for me. It's a good buy for me, and it's an investment that I love. This is me investing into my career. I got this for myself as a birthday gift. Yes, everything in this big box, I bought it for myself as a birthday gift. So the next is this LED light. LED 800 is the bigger version of the other light. This is 600 and this is 800 Pro. So this is the bigger version of this light. I already removed the light. It's what I'm using to film this video because my other light is bad, right? So this comes like this. This is the space for the box. The box is very big, right? I'll still do a video on the other of my channel on how to do it, on how to set up the light and every other thing about the light. It has the charger space, the cord that I'm already using to make this video, and the rest. So how much did I get this? I got this LED 600 Pro at 115 yuan. It's bigger than this, but the price difference is just a little. But the weight, this is heavier than this. So you should consider your buy. I've used 600 and now I'm using 800. I've bought 800 before for my friend and she has been using it for years now, and I just got this. So here are all the things I bought. Was it worth it? Would you want to import from China, or you would prefer to buy from our local market? Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, if there's anything here that you want to get more details about, drop a comment. If there's a video you want me to talk about next, also drop a comment about it and I will do it for you. If you need a procurement agent or you want to learn China importation, quickly send me a DM and I will be there for you. See you in my next video. For now, bye.